Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Yeedi M14 Plus. If you're interested in the M14 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, download the Yeedi app from iOS or Android app stores. Sign in or create your account. Next, we're at this screen where we can view all of our devices. You may or may not have any devices here, no big deal. Top right-hand corner, there's a little square with a line, so it's got 4 corners and a line in the middle. We can select that. And that's going to activate our camera right here, so we can scan a QR code on the robot itself, or we can manually select the robot from a list. Let's just pull the vacuum out. Here's the code to scan. So we're going to scan that. And now it's going to work on setting up our particular model. So open up the robot, make sure it's powered on, which is what we have. So you want it with the gray line. I powered it on, select next, turn on the Bluetooth hotspot, press the reset button for 1 second, then release it.
Hotspot has been released.
So there we go, done. Select next. Now it's scanning and connected to our device. At this stage, we need to connect to our Wi-Fi, so enter your network information. If you're having issues, make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. That might help.
Network setup in progress. Please wait.
Voice prompt, network setup in progress. Now we wait for the checklist.
Network connection successful.
Got the voice prompt, everything was successful. The app has changed screens now. We can rename our robot, select continue. Downloading. Now we have an update. So at this stage, we can go ahead and select update. Let's make sure it's on the station.
Start charging.
Now we can start the upgrade.
Updating. Please do not power off.
Voice prompt, it's updating. Progress bar here. Now we wait. All right, so it took less than a minute for, I believe, the update to download. Now it's currently installing. So far, so good. All right, we just heard a musical chime and it said update completed. The app is updated. I think that took around 2.5 minutes for that process. So 3 to 4 minutes total when it's all said and done from downloading and updating the firmware. Now we can select got it. And we're taken to our main app screen again where we can view our devices. And now we can enter into our M14 Plus. There we go. Everything's all set up and ready to go. Simple, straightforward. Now it's time to map your home, get everything how you want it, and start cleaning.